What is the biggest secret for a successful business in Dubai and UAE? Most businesses which start here in Dubai fail. Why do they fail? First, you need to understand that. They fail because you have to go through a certain process. First of all, you have to register a company. You need the right license and right activity. And after that, you need the network. The problem is when you try to work out everything yourself, you are at a new place, you don't understand the culture, you don't understand the environment, you don't know how to run a successful business at this place, you struggle. The first thing which happens, you lose motivation after a while and you think that you cannot run a successful business in Dubai. That's why the businesses fail. The success secret is your network. What is network? You need, for a successful business, to have right amount of investment. That means you need investors. So you need access to funds. Secondly, you need people here in different sectors. Depending on what's your product or service, you might need contracts with the government organizations. You might need access to private sector, but to a corporation level. Similarly, you might need people in police department and taxation department, as well as you need PR, you need marketing. So there are people in Dubai which have done years and they have run successful businesses and their worth is in millions and billions. So for example, if you have access to these people, it's so easy for them to make your business successful. This is the key point, your network. So you need a network of investors, you need a network for your PR, you need people who can take your business to the next level. This, if you get, then there's no chance of failing your business if your product and service is good. So this is the thing you need to work on. Now, how to create the network? I'll give you my example. So I moved to Dubai. It's just been 9 months, but I have launched more than 17 successful businesses. How did I do it? I have really good links and network. So multi-millionaires, successful entrepreneurs and investors. So I spent first 3 to 6 months building my network. I have links in government. I have links with the local people, sheikhs, the royal family, and then celebrities, then the people who are in different departments, as well as investors, a huge network of banks as well as private investors. So when I launch a business, there is all people, they're kind of my team. I work with them, I do joint ventures. Sometimes I give them commission, sometimes they're my partners, but they make sure that my product or service gets everywhere where it's needed. So this is the same thing you need to do. So first, pay attention to your network. Once you have great network, that's the network. As you know, network is your network. That would be the network which would take your business to $1 billion if it has that big potential. So one thing I'm doing is I've created a network of investors, startups, entrepreneurs from all over the world. In Dubai, as you know, there are 200 nationalities, people from 200 different countries. So if you have successful business here, you have potential to make it truly international, because these partners and people, they can take your business to their own countries. So what you need to do, join a solid, sound network, and these people would make your business successful. So I'm launching a Spark Business Network, which would have top millionaires from all different segments of the business, investors, startups, and entrepreneurs. Join them. You will truly become an international entrepreneur, and it will give you the best opportunity to make your business successful. Thank you very much.